Alright, the ET8 did run out of fuel pretty quick there. It ran the whole tank though. It still runs too fast. This new carb probably leaks too much air to run at a slower speed, because it won't suck fuel if you don't have more air going past the needle. I was dumping a lot of oil in the head there to make sure it didn't had enough top end lubrication, and that all ran out in a pool here. I don't know if it leaked out the muffler or if it came past the head, but I'm just gonna try rebuilding the ET8, and I'll take apart this new carburetor to see what it looks like inside, and we'll have to figure out something about the carburetor on this, because it's just not working out right now, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but we'll figure it out. At least got it running again, and it ran pretty well, and I dumped plenty of oil on top, so I don't think it's damaged from running so fast, but this is definitely set up to be able to run faster than this ET engine frame is capable of running. So next time we see the ET8, I will be tearing it apart and doing a full rebuild on it, and then we'll have both of these carburetors, the old one and the new one, to take a look at and figure out how to try and make one good carb out of them.